Tavi Ginariu and I'm a classical guitarist. I started playing the guitar when I was 13 years old, when my father asked me to choose between Romanian folk dancing and classical guitar, and that turned out to be one of the easiest decisions of my life. The guitar has been with me through the thick and thin, through the best and the worst times of my life. Over the last few years, I've spoken to a lot of guitar students, and across the board, there seems to be this sense of regret for not picking up the instrument years earlier. St. James says that our lives are but a mist that rises from the earth. It is here today and gone tomorrow. Life is too short not to play music. It is too short to play music that you don't like. And so, if you have this deep desire to play the classical guitar, if you have this yearning in your heart, check out eliteguitarist.com. I and the rest of the teachers there will teach you not only to play the guitar correctly, but to play it beautifully. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to start right now. You don't know your own limitations, and you don't know what you're missing out unless you try. Sure, you may not become the next Segovia, none of us will. That's not the point. If you have it within your heart to do it, just go ahead and do it. eliteguitarist.com.